god, I was seriously about to buy this at Michael's. Good thing I didn't. Epoxy kit. And then the new spinet. So they're coming out with a new spinet. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my gosh. I'm pretty excited because We Are Memory Keepers are coming out with a brand new spinet, the Spinet Pro, and they have sent me their new products for me to try it out and show you guys. Pretty beat up. I mean, I've had this for a year, been making cups ever since. I have 4. So that should tell you a little something. I'm pretty obsessed. But the fact that they're coming out with a new one is pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Pretty excited about this spinet here. Have the new spinet. And just first off, the thing that I noticed very quickly is this handle. I'm gonna get these off to the side. So here they are, both of them spinning. So let me go ahead and turn these off. This cup is a process because I'm gonna be doing a vinyl split tumbler. So half of this here is gonna be vinyl and then the other half is gonna be glittered. I don't know where I'm going with this cup yet. I kind of have an idea of what I'm trying to do, but we'll just wing it, you know? So let me hook this on. So you do have to hold this down to put the tumbler in. And then just kind of slide it in. I'm gonna start mixing the epoxy and glittering the side that's not that is already spray painted. You know, I'm putting my Surebonder silicone mat at the bottom because when I work with epoxy, it just goes all over the place. I've had it on my clothes, on the floor. Oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and let this spin. It says 4 hours, but I'm gonna let it spin for 8 hours. It's 6 o'clock in my area, so I'm just gonna let it spin overnight and come back in the morning to seal this glitter and then finish off here for my next